Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome back to my channel. I have completed another basket here. This is a little boy's Spider-Man basket. And it has other things incorporated into it, but it does have quite a few Spider-Man items in there, starting with the jumbo coloring book. And then there's a Spider-Man Dark Webs activity book, as well as an activity pack of Spider-Man in there, and a Spider-Man puzzle. I've also included the paddle board as well as the red catch board in the front and the other side. And of course we have our treats in there. Gotta have our treats. So we have the pretzels, animal crackers, the Freezy, the Rice Krispie treats. We have a bunny with the candy around it. And we have bubbles right there on the side. I use the small bubbles because I have the bigger items in there already. And of course our Cheez-Its. And then we have a pack of Uno cards as well as some Crown bubblegum. Yep, that pack of Crowns is bubblegum. I did catch that in the sale today at Dollar General. And I have my eggs that are stuffed with the Skittles and other candy. I think this will make a great basket for a little boy. Like I said, it is Spider-Man themed with other items in it. And it is packed with fun. I think a little boy will enjoy this basket very much. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for all my new followers. And I look forward to meeting my next followers. Be blessed and be a blessing.